वेर्ना प्लेटोचेर सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट प्लांट हाडपाक सोदतात। तो आयल्यार साळ न्हंयत बुरशे उदक वतले, तशेंच लोटली नुवेकारांकय त्रास जातले अशें म्हणत ह्या नियोजित प्लांटाक ग्रामस्थांनी खर विरोध केला। प्रत्यक्ष आणि अप्रत्यक्ष अशा दोनूय तरांच्या प्रकल्पाच्या संभाव्य पर्यावरणीय परिणामांचेरय उपाय काडपाक भौशीक सुनावणी घेवची थळाव्यांनी मागला।
आम्ही असा वेर्ना प्लेटोचेर आणि हांगाच माझ्या फाटल्यान जर तुम्ही पळोवं शकता की हांगाच तो सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचो जो गार्बेज प्लांट येवपाचो अशें लोकां कडल्यान कळयलें आसा आणि लोकांचे हेचेर विरोध आसा। लोक निशेध मारपाक हांगा जमा जाल्ला आणि तेंच्यांनी म्हटलां की हो जर गार्बेज प्लांट हांगा येत जाल्यार हांगा जे लोटली नुवें जावं बाकीचे एरिया हांकां हाचो इफेक्ट जातलो। हेचो जो इफेक्ट हा तो साल रिवराकूय जातलो, कित्याक हांगा जे प्लेटो वयल्यान जे वेर्ना इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेटीचे जे प्लेटो वयल्यान जे उदीक जे सगळें वयता ते साल रिवरीन वयता आणि ते अप टू बेतूल मेरेन वयता आणि हे सरावंडींग जे विलेजीस आहा हेचे इफेक्ट जातले आणि त्याच खातीर तेंच्यांनी म्हटलां की हांगा हो जो सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटाचो जो गार्बेज ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट येवपाचो तो खंय तरी येवपाचो न्हू। हांगा फक्त जे लोकां खातीर जो हो बरें नेचर हॅबिटेट हा ते खंय तरी रावचे आणि जे उदीक आणि जे बाकी निसर्ग हा तो खंय तरी राखून दवरपाचो अशी तेंची मागणी आसा।
Now they are having a public hearing. So this is a kind of a preemptive kind of a thing to tell the government what you are doing is basically wrong and will not be acceptable by the people. Okay? So this public hearing they are planning to have, the government is planning to have very soon. So when they have it, all this will be brought to their notice. But this, what you read, is in advance.
May I? There is Rotoli, Kamorli, Nuve, Verna, Nagwa, Kelosi.
And all these panchayats have taken a resolution that we don't want the plant. This is a long time. We're fighting on it for a long
The
time.
aquifer is shared by all of the villages, including Kamorli. In the EIA report, I can show
We
you
are
the
talking
EIA
of
report.
river sal
Everything
over
is there.
here. That side is going into Zwari.
Is a point of contention is already encompassed in the brief. Let's not speculate. We'll wait for the response and then reply and let it get be deliberations. We will let you know from time to time. Thank you.
Directive from High Court is there that every village has to have their own waste management set up. Some villages have done. Some of the villages which have not done have been fined. So what I would say is no to this plant, and whatever the expense that is going towards this plant, distribute with the villages for each panchayat to set up their own plants. That is the solution. You can't burden one place for garbage coming from somewhere else.
But in every panchayat, this is the major problem. Everywhere, everybody is objecting. Not in my backyard.
But basicals of Nuve say no means no at no cost.
And this agitation is going to increase, or
We have taken a lot of agitation to its conclusion. to
When
its
the
final
time is,
conclusion.
when the time.
We have taken all this, lots of this agitation to its final conclusion, and this is for our survival. We will not leave this to go. So, at no cost.
39 villages are going to come with their waste. And there are court directives. I need to give you small examples. There are a couple of panchayats which are breaking down their own wet waste into organic waste, and they are doing a very fantastic job. म्हाका दिसना की असले सेंट्रलाइज सिस्टम हाडून सगळ्यांचीच वाट लावपाची गरज. कमिटी आतां डिसायड करतली. एक डेलिगेशन घेऊन गेल्ले. ही इज फुल्ली अवेअर ऑफ द circumstances and the concerns expressed by the citizens and the residents and the constituents of this constituency. We will have a discussion. आनीक ताणे एक आश्वासन दिल्ले आणि डिस्कशनान तो पार्टिसिपेट जाल्लो असेंब्लीन. सो ही इज फुल्ली अवेअर वॉट ही हॅज टू डू.
दुसरो प्रश्न, समज आतां सरकार मुखार गेलो हे प्लेसीर तो प्रोजेक्ट हाडपाक, वॉट वूड बी द फ्युचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन?
वी विल क्रॉस द ब्रिज वन्स व्हेन इट कम्स.
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, जवाहर बर्वे आणि सानिका नागवेकर.